What's going on again, folks? I got another cold steel cane here, arrived just now. This time I got the cold steel city stick, and I'm very, very excited again today. And I got it again on Midway USA. So here's the package, arrived just now. All right, first things first, make sure everything's right. Let's open it up and see what we have. So I got another cane here. Okay, almost there. All right, let's see what we have. Make sure everything's in good shape here. Hold on a second. There you go. Okay, so this is it. Take this out. That there. All right, we're almost there. All right, so this is what I got today. The cold steel city stick. Let's do this. Hold on. Put that there again. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is what I got today. This is the cold steel city stick. So I got it on Midway USA once again. No problem. So this one I got it for over, $70. It was worth it. I've been saving up for this one. And guys, this is my first time getting this. There you go. I'm very excited again today. All right, now let's show you a nice close-up of the cold steel city stick. This is the new thing I got today. Last time I got the axe head cane. Now I got the now I got this. And guys, this is my second what do you call that? This is my second unboxing of 2023. There you go. So yeah, this is it's brand new. And there it is. There's the knob. This is not the aluminum head, so let me show you. It doesn't come out like that. Yeah, this is just the what do you call this? Yeah, this is just your ordinary cane. Yeah, this is not the aluminum head. See? Okay, so this is what I got. So guys, it's brand new out of the box. For over $70. That's how much I got it for this time. Okay, let's show you again and make sure everything is in good shape here. Yeah, I just want to make sure there's nothing wrong. Yeah, let's check let's check it a little bit. Yeah, everything's in good shape. No problem. And arrived just now. Arrived quick. Okay, so this is the new thing I got. I'm very, very excited again today. Yeah, it just goes like that. Works like that. Alright, so let me put it on my stand here real quick so it doesn't slide off. There. Now, let's put it on the center here. Okay, so recommendations. Absolutely, again, for over $70, it's worth getting again. My advice: always get it quick. Yes, they do sell it fast. Oh, yeah, they do sell out fast. So yeah, always get it right away. That's another thing. They sell out fast. So again, for over $70, it was worth it was worth it was worth the buy. So yeah, this is the cold steel city stick. That's what I got this time. Last time I got the axe head cane. And yes, it's brand new out of the box and arrived just now. And there you go. So let's take a look at it again. Okay, I'm very excited. Once again, it arrived just now. It's in great shape. Right there, there's the knob. Yeah, it does unscrew, but you already know how that works. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is what I got. For yeah, again for over $70, it's worth the buy. Yeah, it's lightweight, easy to use, and yeah, your usual what do you call these? Yeah, your usual hiking tool. This is perfect for hiking, jogging, no problem. There you go. That's how it works. All right, I'll show you one more time. Put it right here. And there you have it. I gave you a good unboxing review on the Cold Steel City Stick that I got on Midway USA once again. It's for over $70. It's worth getting, but always get it quick. They do sell out fast. All right. So again, if you come across this, let me know what you think. And thanks for watching.